Winterizing your RV washing machine is crucial to prevent freezing and costly damage. Even small amounts of residual water can freeze, expand, and crack fittings or internal seals. First, turn off the water supply and power to your RV. This ensures safety and prevents water from entering the system while you work. Next, disconnect the water supply hoses from the washing machine. These are typically color-coded red for hot water and blue for cold water, with brass fittings on each end. Remove the drain pump filter to release any trapped water. This cylindrical component typically has a rubber O-ring and internal dividers that can hold residual water. Run a short spin cycle to expel any remaining water from the machine. Some washing machine models may have a dedicated Winterize or drain mode specifically for this purpose. Finally, address the drain trap. If possible, remove it to empty completely. If removal isn't feasible, you'll need to use compressed air or RV antifreeze to flush it out in the next section. You've now completed the draining phase of winterizing your RV washing machine. These steps ensure all accessible water is removed, preparing your system for the antifreeze application that follows. Now that your RV washing machine is properly drained, we need to protect it with antifreeze and complete the final winterization steps. The first critical step is choosing the right antifreeze. You must use non-toxic RV antifreeze made from propylene glycol, never automotive antifreeze, which is toxic. You'll need between 1 quart to half a gallon of antifreeze, depending on your washing machine size. Pour the antifreeze directly into the washing machine drum. After adding antifreeze, run a spin cycle to distribute it throughout the machine. If your washer connects to the freshwater system, keep running until you see pink antifreeze fluid coming out of the drain hose. Once the antifreeze is distributed, turn off and unplug the washing machine. Leave the washer door slightly open to prevent musty smells from developing during storage. Don't forget the P-trap. Pour 1 quart of RV antifreeze into the washer drain and P-trap. This protects these critical plumbing components from freezing damage. When spring arrives, you'll need to flush the system. Run fresh water through all lines, then run 1 or 2 rinse cycles without clothes to remove any antifreeze residue before normal use. Your RV washing machine is now properly winterized and protected from freezing damage. Following these antifreeze and final steps ensures your appliance will be ready for use when warmer weather returns.